Hey, what's up guys? I'm Kanaan, and in this video, I will teach you how to use present simple to talk about your daily routine with examples from native speakers. Let's go. Get up. Get up. I get up at 7 in the morning.
I get up in the morning.
I get up in the morning.
Make the bed. Make the bed. I make the bed.
I'll make the bed.
You make the bed.
Wash face. Wash face. I wash my face with water.
I wash my face.
I wash my face with shampoo.
Brush teeth. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth in the morning.
Brush my teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Take shower or have shower. I take a cold shower in the morning.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Dry hair. Dry hair. I dry my hair after the shower.
Dry your hair. Dry your hair.
Comb hair. Comb hair. I comb my hair before I get out.
Comb my hair.
Comb your hair.
Drink coffee. Drink coffee. I drink coffee before breakfast.
I don't drink coffee.
Well, I drink tea.
Have breakfast or eat breakfast. I have breakfast at 8 a.m.
Eat your breakfast.
Before I have breakfast.
Like eat breakfast.
Do makeup. Do makeup. I do my makeup before I get out.
Do your makeup.
Close and do your makeup and
Go to work. Go to work. I go to work at 8 a.m. every day.
I go to work. Now I go to work.
Get dressed. Get dressed. I get dressed before I go to work.
I get dressed.
I get dressed for the occasion.
Drive car. Drive car. I usually drive my car to work.
I drive a Range Rover.
I drive my own car.
Don't forget to like the video. Leave home. Leave home. I usually leave home at 8 a.m.
You leave home in the morning.
And then you leave home and
Take a bus. Take a bus. I sometimes take a bus to work.
Take the bus to...
You take a bus.
Start work. Start work. I rarely start work at 9 a.m. I usually start work at 8:30.
And we start work here.
So, we start work again?
Take a break. Take a break. I take a lunch break at 12 o'clock.
Every time we have a break, he comes.
Okay, let's take a break.
Finish work. Finish work. I finish work at 5 p.m. every day.
I finish work at 6.
When I finish work every night, I run home.
Go shopping. Go shopping. After work, I go shopping at the mall. Clean the house. Clean the house. I clean the house every other day.
I clean the rooms.
I clean houses and I babysit.
Go to the gym. Go to the gym. I go to the gym 3 times a week.
He goes to the gym?
He goes to the gym and then does.
Watch videos. Watch videos. I watch some YouTube videos in the evening.
I watch movies.
I watch TV.
Take a bath or have a bath. I take a hot bath in the evening to relax.
I have a bath.
Take a bath.
Set the alarm clock. Set the alarm clock. I set the alarm clock before sleeping.
Set alarm for 5 a.m.
Sorry.
I set an alarm.
Go to bed. Go to bed. I rarely go to bed late.
I go to bed.
When I go to bed at night,